Hello to all my friends out there. So here is the other 7 recipes. I've had nothing but trouble with this thing. It wants more money. I don't want to let it have any. So here is a good dip. I got that Velveeta cheese cheap the other day. All right. I have made these before, but not for a long time. But these are good. Crescent beef bites. And the thing is it's everything in the stockpile. Easy to make too. Okay. And Jan from New York mentioned this recipe. I used to make this all the time, and it's good too. When we were young, we used to make it. It's also cheap. I used to make it with green beans. Some of these recipes I've had for years and years and years and years. The coleslaw salad dressing is expensive. All right, here's a good one. Remember the barley we're stockpiling? And when you make it from scratch, it's not expensive. I found the mushrooms on sale. Oh, I don't know what this is. This is, I have put something, here's my all-time salmon patty recipe that I can never find. Good luck getting a pheasant, but just in case. Okay, you guys, here's the 7 recipes, and God bless you all.